Dẻo dẻ. Stunning view. Later. Okay, it's heavy rain now. Woohoo! It's quite a standard thing. When you reach the top, always raining. Behind my backpack, I've got a down jacket, raincoat, rain pants, walking stick. I got 2 cans of sardine, 4 pieces of bread, torchlight, including water. I'm wearing a heat tech now, together with flea shirt, waterproof glove. I think we're gonna make it soon. Down to the Pinnacles Hut, where we're gonna have lunch. This is the reason why you've got to be very prepared when you're out tramping, especially on high mountains. Anytime the weather changes, and you must be fully equipped. So technically we are warm and dry. That's the most important thing. Now we're walking back to Coromandel Valley Road and another 3 hours.
Hello!
We were up there a while ago. It's exactly 5:30 now, and it's pitch dark.
Still got 1 hour to go.
Yeah, still got 1 more hour. Let's go. See ya.